Training Academy, and I know that it's quite late to join this institution. As you all know that I have spent only 10 to 12 days over here, and thank you so much my brothers and sisters who supported me and encouraged me so that today I am able to present my topic in front of you all. So my topic is G20. So what is G20? G20 is a group of 20 countries in which all the 20 countries come together to make economic issues, to solve economic issues. It is the premier forum for international economic cooperation. These countries like Russia, India, Brazil, Germany, like UK, US, like that. And the main facts about these countries are it consists of 85% of GDP of all over the world and 80% of participation in trade. And 2/3 of the population of all over the world live in these 20 countries. And it was established on 26 November 1999. And the forum has met every year since 1999, and the leaders were meeting every year since 2008. And its logo is Lotus. It has two tracks. The first track is financial track and another track is Sherpa track. The financial track is led by the finance minister and chief bank governors, and I hope that you all know that our current finance minister is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. And the other track, Sherpa track, was led by our current Indian IAS former, Mr. Amitabh Kant sir. And the main theme of this summit is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means our whole earth is a family, and it works on the theme of one family, one earth, one future. And its other motive is to control global warming and so each year the summit around invites a guest country, and this year our India has inviting 9 guest countries, and from South Asia it has invited only one country, that is Bangladesh. So how does it work? It does not have any secretariat, and its presidency is supported by TRICAS. So let me tell you that what are TRICAS? TRICAS is the group of 3 presidencies, that is previous presidency, present presidency and the upcoming presidency. So the previous presidency was Indonesia, the present presidency is India, and the upcoming presidency will be Brazil. Our India holds the presidency from 1 December 2022 to 30 November 2023, and it's a very proud moment for us. And it's for the first time when all the 3 TRICAS countries are developing countries, and this G20 summit is the first summit in which both developing and developed countries are participating equally. I hope that you all get my point, and I am feeling very glad to share my opinions with you. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.